Hi everyone, you are all welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kachi. So today guys, in today's video we'll be making this vegetable soup, pumpkin and water leaf soup. Guys, if you want to learn this particular soup, or if you like what you're seeing, please watch this video to the end. So right about, let's get to it immediately. I'll be telling you the ingredients that I'll be using for this soup. As usual, we'll be using protein today. We'll be using beef, and we'll be using dry fish. I've already cleaned it. We'll be using stock fish. We'll be using cow skin already washed. We'll be using water leaf. You are going to be selecting, washing and cutting your water leaf and your ugu. This is the pumpkin leaf. So guys, I've already chopped the onions. We'll be using for seasoning our protein. This is our crayfish. We'll be using it. And the next we'll be using will be our yellow scotch bonnet pepper. You can use any other pepper of your choice, but I like this particular pepper for my soups. So guys, you start by seasoning your proteins with onion, seasoning cube and salt to taste. Put it on the heat and allow it to cook. While that is cooking, go ahead and select, cut and wash your vegetables. Blend your crayfish and pepper, or you grind it. I'll be grinding mine. Guys, the protein is ready. I've added the red oil right now that we'll be using. The red oil, I've gone inside. We'll cook for some seconds. We'll go in with our water leaf, already washed and chopped water leaf. After you do that, you allow it to cook for some seconds. Do not allow it to order. As you can see, the plenty water leaf have already gone down. This is the time you will go in with your vegetable, the other vegetable, that is the ugu. Yes, go in with the ugu and add your seasoning cube, your crayfish, your pepper, your salt to taste. Allow everything to cook for some minutes, and then the soup is ready. Guys, when you are cooking this soup, make sure that there's no meat water in the protein you'll be using. The water leaf is going to produce the water you'll be using for this soup. Guys, this soup is so yummy. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Please like, comment and